Mom, those houses are beautiful.
Keep believing in yourself, Jack.
One day, I'll build a better life.
Thank you for the newspaper.
You're welcome. Every day is a new chance to move forward. Jack, you always work very hard. I'm working toward my dream. I hope you achieve it someday. Thank you. I'll keep trying.
You spend a lot of time reading.
I want to learn how successful people think. My business is small now, but I'll keep trying. Success doesn't happen overnight. Wait, I got my first sale! This is just the beginning.
You work all day and night. Every step brings me closer to my dream. We would like to buy your company. Really? Yes, it's worth millions. I can't believe it.
This house is beautiful.
It's for you, Mom.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you for always believing in me.